Dr. Carl Werner, who published a book called The Evolution of Grand Experiment. He sent me a copy of it and he asked me if I would do a review of it on Amazon because there was a school system out in Arizona, I believe it was, who was considering to have the book on their curriculum. And so I did the review of the book and on Amazon, posted on Amazon, and I mean everybody and their grandmother who were among the atheist evolutionists came after me. And I mean they tried to destroy my review. They tried to make me look like a fool, and it forced me, of course, to defend myself. And I did not realize how much fun that was until I did it. It was such a great time. I had such a great time. Christine Janis, paleontologist, and David Levine, he's a professor of molecular biology, molecular and cell biology. And he wasn't there first. Christine was there. And we went on for some time, but she got so tired of me and zinging her that she went and got Dr. Levine from another thread and asked him to come over and help me. But eventually she disappeared for a while. And then all of a sudden somebody came on our thread and he said, oh man, Dan, you rock. And I'm like, what are you talking about? He said, man, Christine Janis is over on another thread on Amazon asking the scientists over there to come over here to help her deflate you. I laughed. Oh, we just had a great laugh. It was so funny to hear that. She started threatening me. Again, another one of those tactics. She said to me, I'm going to write about you in my next book. That's what she told me. And to her, that was a threat, but to me, that was high praise. So I tell you, if you really take the time to study, do your due diligence, you can handle these people no matter what kind of degrees that they have.